Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. I am Vishal Patel, your mathematics teacher. Let's we start with the chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression of Standard 10. In previous lecture, we learned about exercise 5.3 up to question number 2. Let's we begin with question number 3. I gave you two questions in your homework, first and second of the question number 3. Let's we begin with question number 3 of the question number 3. Okay, so in question number 3, you know that given a12 is equal to 37 and d is equal to 3, find a and s12 from the question. Okay, so let's we solve the third question. In third question, a12 is equal to 37 and d is equal to 3, that is given in the question. Let's we put the value of a and d into the an. Okay, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d in the equation. So a12 is equal to a plus 12 minus 1 into d. Here I take n is equal to 12 and d is equal to 3 because that is given in the question. We have to find a from the equation. Okay, so I use the equation of the an, that is a arithmetic progression equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So I just put the value of n and d, and then after I find the value of the a. Okay, that is a 4. Then next I just put the value in the equation of the arithmetic sums. Okay, in the arithmetic sum equation Sn, that is a Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Here you can use an is equal to L also, because last term of the arithmetic progression we assume as a L or last term we assume as a an. Both are same. Okay, you can use any term. Then after put the value of a and an in the Sn equation. So n is equal to 12. Then after a is equal to 4. Then after an is equal to 37. In this way, after put the value of these three terms in the Sn's equation, you got the value 6 in the bracket 41 and Sn is equal to 246 after giving the simplification of the equation. Here 4 plus 37, that is a 41, which I put in the equation, and 2 6 are 12. So in this way 2 6 are 12, we got the bracket 6 in the bracket 41. Then after Sn is equal to 246. Okay, the next example, a3 is equal to 15, s10 is equal to 125. We have to find out the value of the a from the equation. So here first term is missing, we have to find out the first term. So let's we take the equation of the an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1, because I take the n is equal to 3, so I put the a3 and n is equal to 3 in that equation. So after giving simplification of that equation, I got the 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Here I just put the value of a3 is equal to 15 at the place of a3. So 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Here 3 minus 1, that is a 2. So our final equation is 15 is equal to a plus 2d. Then after next I use the equation of the summation of arithmetic progression, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to, I take the S10 because S10 is given in the question, so I use the S10 is equal to 125 to make equation. So Sn is equal to S10 is equal to 125, n is equal to 2, sorry, n is equal to 10 over here, so n is equal to 10 and 2 into bracket a plus 9d. Okay, so S10 is equal to 10 by 2, that is a 5, and S10 is equal to 125, 10 upon 2, that is a 5, 2a plus 10 minus 1, that is a 9, so 10 minus 1 is equal to 9d. Okay, so 2a plus 9d in the bracket 5 into is equal to 125, so 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Okay, so 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So here I got 125 divided by 5, that is a 25, that is a 25. So after that, by solving the equation 1 and 2, I just multiply equation 1 and 2. So here I got the 30 is equal to 2a plus 4d after multiplying this equation with the 2. Okay, so 15 2s are 30, a 2s are 2a, and 2d 2s are 4d. In this way I multiply this equation with 2. Okay, then after I got this equation 30 is equal to 2a plus 4d. Let's we on the subtracting equation 3 from the 2, and after that I just subtract equation 3 from the 2. Then after I found out the d is equal to minus 1 by using the method of solving two equations of the two variables, which we already learn about in the previous lectures. So 15 is equal to a plus 2 into minus 1. Then after I got the d is equal to minus 1 and put the value of d is equal to minus 1 in the equation number 1, and then I got the a is equal to 17 over here. Then put the value of the a10 in the equation. So in the a10, a plus 10 minus 1 into d, I found out the 10 minus 1, that is a 9 minus, sorry, 10 minus 1, that is a 10 minus 1, that is 9. So a10 is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1, that is a a10 is equal to 17 minus 9, that is 8. I just or put the value of a10, means n is equal to 10 and a is equal to 17, d is equal to minus 1, and 10 minus 1, that is a 9. So 17 minus 9, that is a 8. I got the value of 17 minus 9, that is a 8 in from the equation. Okay, so a10 is equal to 8 over here. Let's we solve another example. Given that d is equal to 5 and Sn is equal to 75. Here they gives us two terms, d is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. By using that we have to find the arithmetic progression from these two terms. So let's we put the value of Sn in the equation of the Sn. There are one equation, Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is given in the question. So then after I take the n is equal to 9, because here Sn is equal to 75, so n is equal to 9 over here. So Sn is equal to S9 is equal to 9 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 9 minus 1, that is a 8. 8 5s are 40 over here, and 9 upon 2, that is a 9 upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus 40. Then after I just take the common from the equation, so 25 is equal to 3 in the bracket a plus 20. So 3a plus 60 is equal to 25. This is the equation. And then after I got the 3a is equal to 25 minus 60. So a is equal to minus 35 upon 5. Okay. So let's we use the another equation, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and put the value of a is equal to minus 35 upon 3 in that equation. So after that, this simplification is in your homework. So this is a9, and you have to find the value of a9 is equal to 85 upon 3. This simplification is in your homework. Okay, thank you so much.